Hello and welcome to this video on how to make a delicious baked macaroni and cheese recipe. Mac and cheese is a classic dish that is loved by many people around the country, and today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty recipe. So let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients that you will need: 1 pound of elbow macaroni, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoons of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. The first step is to cook the macaroni. According to the package instructions, cook the macaroni, but make sure not to overcook it. You want the macaroni to be firm and not too soft. Drain the macaroni and set it aside. In the second step, in a large saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Once the butter has melted, add the flour and stir until well combined. Slowly add the milk to the pan, stirring constantly to prevent lumps from forming. Once all the milk has been added, continue stirring until the mixture begins to thicken. Add the salt, black pepper, and cayenne pepper to the saucepan and stir well. Add the shredded cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese and grated Parmesan cheese to the pan and stir until the cheese has melted and the sauce is smooth. Step 3. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix the cooked macaroni and cheese sauce until well combined. Step 4. Grease a 2-quart round casserole dish with butter. Pour the macaroni and cheese mixture into the casserole dish, spreading it evenly. Sprinkle the breadcrumbs over the top of the macaroni and cheese mixture. Bake the macaroni and cheese in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Let the macaroni and cheese cool for a few minutes before serving. And there you have it, a delicious and easy baked macaroni and cheese recipe that is sure to be a hit with your family and friends. Serve it as a main course with the salad or as a side dish with your favorite meat. This recipe can be easily doubled or tripled to feed a crowd. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips.